Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making eggless mini chocolate chip banana bread. This recipe is the perfect thing to make when you have two overly ripe bananas. So first we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. And now you guys can make this recipe in your stand mixer or in your hand mixer, either works. Today I'm just going to use my hand mixer. So first we're going to add 113 grams of softened butter, and you want to make sure that your butter is really soft. Next we're going to add our dark brown sugar, then our cane sugar. Now we're going to mix on low to cream the butter and sugars together. Now we're going to add in 2 ripe, large bananas. Next, we're going to add in half a cup of heavy whipping cream. And then some sour cream. If you guys don't have sour cream, you could also use plain Greek yogurt. Now we're going to mix on low to combine the bananas and wet ingredients. Next, we're going to add in our pastry flour. If you guys don't have pastry flour, you could also use cake flour in its place. 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to mix on low until no dry bits of flour remain. Now we're going to add in our mini dark chocolate chips. And now I just like to fold these in with a spatula. So I'm using my caraway loaf pan today, and I never grease it because it releases so well. So now we're just going to transfer the batter and spread it out evenly. So the baker's trick for getting that perfect slit down your banana bread is just taking a butter knife and drawing a slit into the batter right now. So now it's just time to bake this at 350 degrees for about an hour. So once our banana bread is cooled, now it's just time to remove it from the loaf pan and slice it up. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more eggless baking recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.